The dearth of government jobs has either led to the youth being bogged down with frustration or prompted others to go against all odds to become independent earners. In today's world, startups have become a trend. Even amongst the youth of the state, there is no longer the wait for conventional jobs, and in fact, with a small amount of capital, they have learned to stand on their own feet without having to wait for parents or family to feed them. Hamar Bamut Maring is one such person amongst many who has not only secured himself an income but is also helping society through his outlet Wandame Aqua Shop of live fish situated at FS Kaji Road, Mawlai Bypass. The objective of this initiative is to earn himself a living and also to encourage other young people to be independent and self-reliant.
Kani ka action ngala dan ditul pa na du miswa perwa dan pulih ngala ju ya slok rubat ki para kelas no dari nak kalian ke ki kerman no nomor ba QE mo ka view se ju QE ba kasokar kam le kata ka ba blok ka ba ka lanti ki andre nga hi ngam sem le kata ban ngi ba lem dau try te gi long lên đây betul ya nak tak dau ngelayeng yang kejap ngala ya keren bet kini ki perlok ti bangi ya supply dok halang bat ngila form go bigasin kanang ba ngin bu yo lakam ha ka bide bat kini ki barjela ki bawantu ya kam ka jam jongi ha ka sti ka katkum ka annual consumption yang ga dok ha po meglia hi ka day life ulai hajar metric ton kata hakis nam arjar khatwe hi mo te bat arjar khatkhandai arjar arfau arjar khatkhandai arjar arfau ka fisheries department nan baga directorate office ma kila claim ba kila laban bumi adu kumba khatsau hajar metric ton gadok ha te nakaliang kajumi nila ya persyang hi banwat kita ki dok ha lokal tin mo andai ngai i ba ngami i ba kadang kata gadok ha kan di tang kata hi nakaliang ko ocean te ka ke bangi kwa kalong ba bankong kalong bangin plilat min ai ka platform nang tagi pun samla bakin yang lagi jang kijan ka baar bangin ai kam ai jam na ka banta kitu ki samla la ne kinu kirang ba ki badon ya kamon menteri bat ka balai kalong ba ngin market ye kini ki dokha ki ba ki nongrap jungi ki penmi mo hado menta ke jungi long kam dan kata ka proper marketing center nam taki kini ki local fish ki bangi penmi haka jela ka jungi